In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in QuickBooks, a simple process that can save you from potential errors and keep your financial records clean and accurate. Whether you're new to using QuickBooks or simply looking to refine your skills, mastering this step will be a crucial addition to your bookkeeping toolkit. To kick things off, make sure you're signed in. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Once there, click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to select the platform you're using, which in this case is QuickBooks Online. Make sure to select this option to proceed. Next, you'll be required to enter your credentials. These typically include your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Type in the necessary information carefully to ensure you gain access without hiccups. Once you've entered your details, hit Continue. This will take you to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks Online account. Now that you're successfully logged in, let's move forward to the key part of deleting a bill. On the dashboard, you should be able to spot a menu on the left-hand side. Here you want to navigate to the Expenses tab. Clicking on Expenses will bring you to a broader category that organizes various financial transactions. Once in the Expenses section, look for the Bills section and select it. By doing so, you'll see a list of all the bills that have been entered into your QuickBooks system. This display allows you to manage, review, and in this case, delete any particular bill by utilizing the list available. Now scroll through and locate the specific bill you're intending to delete. Beside each bill entry, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow on the right side of the bill entry. Click on this arrow, which will present you with a few options related to that particular bill. From the drop-down menu, simply choose the Delete Bill option. At this stage, it's important to double-check that you've selected the correct bill, as this action is irreversible. Once you're certain, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Confirm the deletion to remove the bill from your records permanently. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a bill in QuickBooks, ensuring that your accounts reflect only current and valid transactions. Keeping your billing information up to date in QuickBooks helps maintain accurate financial reporting and can save you time during reconciliation. Remember, if you ever delete a bill by mistake, QuickBooks does not offer an undo feature for this action, so always proceed with caution. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.